going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If you don't know who I am, that means you're new. I'm Mark. What's good with y'all? Go check out my other videos. Check them out. But first, stay on this one. So I think this is a fairly important, or at least fairly educational video topic to get done. Let's get right into it. So, what is the first thing you should do with your gun immediately, right out of the box? In this video, I answer that question with two simple words, and of course, a demonstration. Why not? Oil it. That is the first thing you do with your gun right out of the box. You should probably oil your gun. Why? Because the majority of firearms come with either factory grease on them or just dry as a bone, and regardless of the matter, you don't really want either. So, of course, you're going to make sure your firearm is clear, magazine removed, chamber is clear, and then you are going to disassemble it so that way you can put some oil on it. The areas I most recommend that you put some oil on, and a lot of people are going to disagree with me on this, but I have my reasons to it. Feed ramp of your barrel. So a little bit of oil right here, guys. Recoil spring end guide rod. Some people might be wondering, Mark, why do you really need to oil this? Well, it's not a matter of necessity. However, one, it's going to sound a little better when you're racking the gun. Two, it's going to feel just a little bit smoother and easier. Now, I recommend, last but not least, you oil these little crevices right here. And of course, this is in reference to if it's a semi-auto handgun. However, the sentiment really stands for whatever firearm you're getting, whether it is a handgun, a rifle, a shotgun. The first thing you should do immediately out of the box when you get the firearm is oil it up. Make sure that it is running smooth. And then after you put it back together, after you put your oil on, you know what you do after that? Do a quick function check. And you're good to go. But with that being said, I do think that about wraps it up for this video. Yeah, I knew this one was going to be a very short one. And yes, it was a very simple, right to the point answer. But I didn't really want to waste your guys' time with this, especially considering probably the majority of people who are watching this video are just getting their first firearm, or at least are very new to firearms. So keep your guns oiled, guys. But with that being said, y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell. When you hit that bell, hit all in. Whether or not you agree with me about my thoughts on what is the first thing you should do with your gun right out of the box, go ahead and comment your thoughts down below. Make sure to check out all my other videos. Y'all make sure to stay legal, stay safe, stay dangerous. Have a good one, y'all. Peace.